Sometimes you just need one little idea that can grow from the tiniest bud and then blossom into a big, beautiful idea. Today, let's create some relaxing music that looks into a silent riff that we can use as well. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips to inspire you to learn the love of music. Join me every Thursday for free tutorials. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's break it down today into 5 easy steps. We've had quite a marathon lately of bigger pieces and harder work. So let's take it right back to the basics again. And if you're brand new to piano, then welcome, and let's pull apart some easy steps for you today. Let's mix together Silent Night, the beautiful carol that we all love, with an inspiration from Helen Jane Long. She is a British composer and musician and pianist. She really creates very beautiful and relaxing music. So let's begin with step 1 and look at the very smallest riff that we can do together. So if we think of a fifth starting on G in our right hand, and then we're going to just wobble back and forwards there with our right hand. So just have a little go at that. It's just an easy rocking motion, a bit like our Queen's Wave, and we're going to go back and forwards between our thumb and our pinky there in the right hand. You do the same action then into your left hand. If we take that finger down there in our left hand, wherever we might move it, we can just do that easy rock down there onto any position. But have a go first with both hands on a G pattern. For our step number 2, let's take this riff in the right hand and put a note under it in the left. So we'll do a G note. So we'll say hold, rocking, rocking. Float this up over to a 2 or an A note. Hold, rocking, rocking. Then 4. Hold, rocking, rocking. 3. Rocking, rocking. Our next pattern is floats down to the E. Hold, rocking, rocking. 2. 4. 3. C. Our 2. D. And then when we step to our 2 here, we're going to step our thumb in to the F sharp there. And do the rocking there again. Let's just do that again. So we have our D bass note. Then when we step to our A, play our F sharp as well. And then G. So let's play that all through to get a bit of a flow going. Step number 3, let's outline the chord changes that are going to happen through our actual carol of Silent Night. So let's put the 5th notes, so the G and the D if you like, down into the left hand there. So through the verse we'll play this left hand and we start on a G pattern as well. G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 more Gs, 2, 3, G, then to D, 2, 3, D, 2, and 3 back to G, 2, 3, G, down to C now, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, more C's again, C, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, now to D, D, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, and one more G, and down to D, D, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, and hold there. Now I'll add a link to check out the right hand melody. So I actually did a video last year looking at the melody for Silent Night. So if you'd like to learn that as well, then you can add that also today. If you'd just like to go along with the left hand and get the hang of that, then do that also with our little Helen Jane Long interlude. So now for step number 4, let's add in Helen Jane Long's riff to create a little feature in the empty spots. So when we have a little space, we're going to fill it up like this. So each time there's a little hole that our right hand isn't busy, we're going to add that fifth rocking pattern in to the left hand. Let's have a go now for our step number 5 of putting everything together. So let's start with a bit of an introduction with Helen Jane Long material, go into our Silent Night verses with our left hand riff adding there, and then we might do a little outro as well. Remember to cut back. If anything's too hard, drop a hand or just isolate one pattern to nail today. And if it's still too easy for you, then remember to add your own twist also.